Before you give a lot of comments, I noticed that the synchronization of my mouth and the audio is not completely in sync. So sorry for that. Hopefully you understand that. But the rest of the vlog, it's okay. Hi everybody and welcome back on a new vlog. Today I keep it a little bit in what I did the last few days, talk a little bit about the automation, and it's very simple. When you go in Logic and you push the letter A, the automation opens. And you can say, for example, a simple one, I go to my gain plugin and I want to automate the gain. You select here the gain, make this one bigger, you automate the gain like this, and you see the gain is going. But when you go to mix and select this one, auto select automation parameters in read mode, then it's very simple and very cool, because when you tick the knob of the plugin, it automatically select the parameters, and now you can assign in like this the automation. What you can do next is, when this one is more or less move automation, yes, like this, you select this one. You have to select the first one here, then you select the marquee tool, you select the whole region, and then you can drag it up. And that's very useful if you want to work with volumes or stuff like that, because in the region you want from the beginning till the ending the volume, and then of course you can select like this, so it's only now affecting the region. And it's working with all the plugins. If I, for example, touch the cutoff here, and you see it select here the cutoff. If I select the resonance here, just select it, it's the resonance threshold, and of course when you want to sign it in, you can sign. First you have to select the line, then you can with command select the marquee tool, select the region, go down, and it's there. Also with the cutoff, I select the cutoff, and if you want only a small part, so let me say this, you do it like that. And you want to select that one. That's very useful with panning or stuff like that. You also can do, when you don't select the auto select automation parameter in read mode, you also can select it with the touch. When you touch the knob, you see there's the line moving, and it's the input distortion, and then you can do it like this, or you also can do it with the marquee tool, of course, and you can assign it in the old way, of course. And if you select something with the marquee tool, you can change it, of course. You can select it manually. But you have to remember to put this one back in read mode. Otherwise, when I select now something, nothing happen. And when you leave it, of course, in touch mode, when you select another parameter or you go to another plugin and you select something, you see it selecting here the curve you want to sign in. And when you play the track and you work with this, it signs it in. So you have to be very, very careful with that, because that can create a lot of headaches and problems when you are looking, because that can cause you a lot of problems while you are working on your project. There is something going on and you don't know what it is. Then it can be that this one still is in touch and not in reach mode. When I play now the track and I take another parameter, or let me close this one because we use that one. I shall say this, the rate, and I touch it, nothing happened. You see, I can move it and nothing happened because it's now in read mode. So I hope you like this quick tutorial about automation and the easy way around if you don't know which parameter you have to select, because sometimes when you go in here there is a lot of parameters and you don't know always which one to select. When I go into silent, you have to look how many there are and you don't know exactly which one is which one. Of course, you also can do that with silent. I can show you around. When I select the cutoff, it's an easy one, but the most used one, you see it's here, and I can of course select it like that, so the cutoff is going up. You see it moving here, and you can do that with practical all the things. So I select this one here, that one here, and of course the marquee tool also works here. It's the same. You can go like this, go like that, go up, and you see the parameter moving here. So I hope you like this short tutorial about the automation in Logic Pro. If you like the tutorials, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. Once a week there is a new live stream, and I hope to see you back tomorrow. Enjoy!